Slap Moto YouTube channel, where we invite you to join in the adventure. So sit back and enjoy the ride.
Degrees. We're gonna let this bad boy. Whoa. Well, that's not right. It's not actually 231 degrees. It's only about 190. But I gotta get this temperature thing out. It came out of the radiator again. It's sitting on the exhaust. Dude, so I got to the first part of the hill, the last place I stopped, and I look at my temperature and it said 231 degrees and it was flashing. The fucking temperature probe came out and wedged between the exhaust and the bottom of the radiator. So it was actually at only like 190, which is still hot, but... Nobody saw it except for everyone on YouTube. Yeah!
Can you make it? Why are you playing so hard?
I just left your mom's house.